Welcome to the demo of Trinamix Plan Viewer, planning workbench based on Microsoft Excel. During this session, we will see how it combines the capability of a robust Oracle database with a powerful user interface in Microsoft Excel. Now looking at the home page, which organizes all the reports into various groups. The first group is the dashboard, which stores the most commonly used reports to run day-to-day planning activities. The second group is called Plan Analysis, which stores additional information required for detailed analysis. For example, to study a late demand or a resource overload. The third group is called Master Data, which groups all reports related to master data. The fourth group shown here is an example to demonstrate that you can create your own groups. I will start with one of the dashboard reports. Ready to execute, supplies. Once you click on this, it takes you to another worksheet. This shows all the planned orders which are ready to be started and pegged to just on hand. The data can be refreshed by clicking the refresh button. When I click on the button, it goes to the database, runs the query, and exports all the information and then automatically reformats it again for you to view. So this pivot has been refreshed based on the latest data. You can see that it's very easy to navigate and doesn't require going into any other system. Let's go back to our home page. Now let's try a new report, Plan KPIs, which stores key indicators from the latest plan. These KPIs can also be refreshed by the click of a button. We have the following seeded KPIs, which can capture important facts of your supply chain plan. For example, inventory turns reports, safety stock and lateness, and some reports including even the financial aspect of the plans, like cost of the plan. You can add more KPIs depending on your planning needs. I will go back to the home page and click on the next summary report, which is an exception report. It lists all of the exceptions generated for the latest plan. Here you can see the exceptions under different groups and see the count corresponding to them. From this summary level, you can actually click and go to details. When I click on this exception, it takes me to a new worksheet that shows the details. If I need to investigate the issue, I can send this sheet to someone without affecting the original plan worksheet. Now I will close this and go back to the home page. You can see that the next couple of reports are horizontal plan reports, which are one of the most common ways of looking at plan results. You have multiple versions here, monthly and weekly, with quantity and dollars. So this is the horizontal plan. Similar to Oracle's workbench, you can see various quantities here, but rather than seeing just one item at a time, you can see the horizontal plan for an entire category, organization, or even the entire plan, which makes it very efficient. It also has the capability of combining dollars and units, which makes this report even more powerful. You can click on any of the elements of the horizontal plan to see details. Now let's go to the home page. Plan analysis reports. These are primarily used to perform a more detailed plan analysis. The forecast consumption report is a very useful report and is not available in the standard Oracle workbench. Here it shows the details of how the forecast was consumed in the plan in a given bucket. Let's click on the sales orders. Here are the details of the sales orders which are consuming the forecast in that particular bucket. Now back to the home page. Next is the pegging report, which shows the supply and demand association on the summary level. It's extremely helpful for the end user and is not available in the standard workbench. Again, back to the home page. Now let's pick the critical supplies report. It is essential for any constraint plan environment. It can be used to perform analysis around late demands. You can view an individual item, category, or the entire plan. Again, let's go back to the home page. The next group we have is master data, with reports related to items, BOMs, and sourcing assignments. The last group is for miscellaneous reports. You can do wonders with it by adding your own reports here. This short video has demonstrated what Trinamix Plan Viewer can do on a higher level. Thank you for listening.